Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix touchscreen not working properly Android. If your screen doesn't react when you touch it, you can try force restarting your phone. To do this, depending on the model you have, you will have to either hold down the volume down and power off key, or the volume up and power off key. You can try one of the two ways and hold those keys down for a few seconds until you see the screen turn off and then release. Your phone will be forcefully restarted and the screen should now respond. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.